There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. The reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Casting. I've seen people. I've seen the enormous talent that has come in that room. I have an enormous talent myself. It's a conscious thing. What am I doing today? What am I doing tomorrow? What am I going to do the next day? For those of you that say you want to do as a hobby, say I want to do this. You can have your full-time job. For those of you that say you want to do as a hobby, say I want to do this. You can have your full-time job. I have my full-time job as a hand modeling, but I want to do this. You know what I mean? Say that this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. I'm almost 60, a couple years, but 53. But that's close to 60. Well, not really, but yes. But, for my career, acting teachers, it's good to be older, because then they believe you. All right, who's next?
Hey.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, Kenita.
Kenita. John Pallotta, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm from Newport News, Virginia.
Newport News.
One. Yeah, I did 3 years Baltimore School for the Arts and middle school Twigs program, and I'm just now getting back into the flow of things this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what else do you do besides?
I'm a stay-at-home mom.
Oh, sorry, my chair's rolling. What are you working on?
An Untitled Monologue by Jennifer Tunks.
Which one?
Untitled. Doesn't have a title for it.
What is it about?
It's about a girl who's being abused by her stepdad, and I guess she's realizing that her mom isn't gonna leave him, and I guess she just is the moment where she explodes. She realizes this is just the way life is gonna be, and she's about to respond. Okay.
So let's give you an adjustment right away. Can I bring up him? Anyone? Anyone? You sure you wouldn't be sitting for this?
No. Well, okay. I'm in my room, so I might in real life sit on the bed or
No, only because I will tell this. Casting director say, why would you choose to sit one during? Would you take this sitting?
No.
Okay. All right. So let's try it. I'm going to redirect in a couple seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, go. Why can't we just leave? I mean, he treats you like nothing, Mom. I can't believe that you think that we should stay. I can't believe I'm talking to myself again. I mean, in the last 2 years, I know you're not here, Mom, but there are questions that I want to ask you.
All right, let's do the same thing we did. Let's have 2 guys come up here. You're going to move you back because I think she's going to hurt you.
I'm not going to hurt you.
Can I have 2 guys come up, the same guys that were here before? Going there. Okay. And react. Okay. See the man in front of you? Mm-hmm. He's getting away with it. React. Guys, you gotta hold her tight because I think this girl could drag you. Guys, hold her tight. I really think this woman, this beautiful woman could you gotta do a lot better than that, guys. Guys, you don't understand. I pushed that button. You were flying. Yeah, Mike's got it. Can you please copy Mike? I think we should put a wager on it. How many says that she drags them both right here? That's what I'm gonna write right now. Okay. Would you take it sitting down? No. Can you please go there right now? Go. Now.
I can't believe that you think that
the whole body.
Stay.
Drag these guys with you.
Mom. What? Why would you even invite him here in the last 2 years? Wasn't there ever a time you woke up and didn't find him lying in the bed with you? Didn't you hear me screaming? Why didn't you stop him?
I said hold her. Don't hold her like a girl. Cut. Guys, you got to realize, if I didn't have, she would have clocked Andy, and Andy would have lost the race.
I'm not gonna hit him.
No, I did this. I threw it. I teach hello. I threw it intensive, and I begged the guy, hold her tight. Little 14-year-old girl broke loose and went, but she missed. She was a little ADD, which was good for the show, because she just missed the guy. But I'm just saying, really hold her back, because, like, you know, she would kick my ass.
All right, cool. Bring it on.
I worry about that guy on the right. Should turn around. Hold her tight underneath. Drag him.
I'm gonna go easy.
This man did what I just told you. Go after him with everything you've got.
Okay.
Your day just changed today. Your life will never be the same. Please just let him go. Action.
Why can't we just leave? I mean, he treats you like nothing, Mom. I can't believe that you think that we should stay. I mean, I know you're not here, Mom, but there are questions that I want to ask you. Like, in the last 2 years, was there ever a time when you woke up and found he wasn't lying next to you? Those first few horrible nights,
Right.
didn't you?
No,
hear
that
me
was fine. I'm
screaming?
going to cut you there. Okay. Now, you're doing fine. Have a seat, young man.
Me?
Yeah, you're doing fine. That was the obvious choice.
Okay.
You know, there's some lives, families, where maybe this is normal. Cross those legs of yours. You know, this is reverse seduction. Blackmail him without raising your voice, using your body language to seduce him with this monologue. Don't raise your voice. Tease him. Whenever you're ready. Seduce him.
Why can't
Seduce him.
we just leave?
Lovely.
I mean,
Don't tell me you've never
it's
seduced a
like-
man before. Seduce this man with that monologue. I saw your number on the bathroom wall.
Okay. Why can't we just
703,
leave?
right?
I mean, he treats you like nothing, Mom.
Love, not a worry in the world.
I mean, I can't believe that you think that we should stay. I can't believe I'm talking to myself again. I mean, in the last 2 years, was there ever a time when you woke up and found he wasn't lying next to you? Didn't you hear me screaming? Why didn't you stop
Cut.
him?
I need you to seduce him.
Okay. I see the problem I'm having.
It ain't your first time at the rodeo.
But what is the money like? See, that's the problem.
No, that's the problem. Get it out of your head. These are just words some guy wrote.
Okay. Okay.
No, I'm a writer too. But I don't want to see an actor glued to my words.
Right.
I want to see an actor get cast purely on the images he creates with my words.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Like, you know, like, what is the opening line?
I can't believe that you think that we should stay.
You know, I am. Can't believe it. And he's not even my type!
Okay.
No sugar here, baby.
Okay.
Seduce him.
Okay. Good. Why can't we just leave? I mean, he treats you like nothing. I mean, I can't believe you think that we should stay. I mean, in the last 2 years, wasn't there ever a time when you woke up and found that he wasn't lying next to you? Didn't you hear me screaming? Why didn't you stop him? Why didn't you come get me? I mean, he's your husband. I didn't invite him to this house, you did. So why didn't you stop him? Did you notice I stopped screaming after the first 2 times? Yeah, I stopped screaming because you never came. Ever.
All right.
Thank you.
Nice job. Nice job, lovely.
Thank you.
And nice job, guys.
then red, and then a deep blue.
It's a gun to your
and
head.
When you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel, then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting together.
To a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
Yeah. You know, you guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that. You know.